All right, here we go. We got a Premiere. No, let's hold on. We have Fleer Retro, Marvel Fleer Retro break, and then Premiere right after that. Premiere snuck in and got itself sold out. So we got one more entrant into the Breaks for a Year hockey. This has this will have a suitcase winner and a $48 store credit winner. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, and it's a draft your mini box. So we'll open it up. You'll see what's in the mini box. We'll give you guys an email. 4:15 is when the draft for this will be tomorrow. Let's see. So we're opening them all up, and you get the whole contents of whatever is in the mini box you so decide to draft. Oh, this is cool. A Wolverine print, which I get to keep. No, we'll random this off. Someone on the break will get that. That's awesome, Wolverine. So we gotta add that to the old random there. So it's pretty easy. The email, I will just put the bigger hits in there. I'll attach the video if you want to go through and take a look at the rest of the contents of your mini box. It's a different way to do this. It's kind of fun. Gives you the shot at the best mini box. That's funny. You don't know anything about hockey, and you jumped into it. Well, thank you, sir. Somebody stepped up to the plate and bought 17 spots in Premiere to sell it out. Somebody put their big boy pants on this morning. All right. So this is how it's going to work. I'll do it on the side. All right. So here we go. This will be mini box number 1. Oh, you silly goose. There we go. All right, so this is mini box number 1. We do the draft afterwards. That way everybody still technically has a shot at having that first pick. Spider-Woman. Got a Gambit metal card. Iron Man metal card and a Red Hulk little animation card. Remember those from the 90s set of X-Men cell animation cards. This has an Ant-Man with the auto. There you go. Terry Dodson. I will put the name of the auto, like Ant-Man card, autographed by. That way, if you are a collector of certain people, then you will know exactly who signed it. You don't have to go back for the video on that one. Help you guys out that way. We got a Red Skull in gold ink by Butch Geis. Alright. A She-Hulk little insert. You got a Venom animation and a Falcon sketch. And these ones do not have names on them, though. So for sketch cards, you'll have to go back. There's the artist signature right there. to see if that is what you're looking for. Black Widow, and then a Dark Phoenix medal. Got a Cyclops, those are fun. And then a Loki. The old Flare style. Interesting to see if we get any precious metals. Got a Sentry. And then an Enchantress Flare. And just like that, how about a Venom Precious Metal out of 50? Alright, this mini box is a strong contender. Some good stuff. We'll put that right in a penny sleeve right away. There we go. And a Destroyer EX card. There you go. Alright, so that's mini box number 1. Number 2. It'll be interesting to see if this is like the other drafts where people's lists are never technically really all that similar. It's funny. Got a Cyclops card, got a little Spider-Man cell animation, and a Wolverine sketch. There. And that's the signature right there. Hood and a Captain Marvel medal. Black Panther and a Doc Ock. Namor and an Ultron. That's a fun looking card. Flare style. Ghost Rider and Sabretooth. A Thanos and a MODOK cell animation. And there's a Quicksilver card with an autograph. Jim Chung. Alright, back-to-back autos. Falcon. And that is Mark Brooks auto. Punisher Flare card, last pack here. And I'll be sending an email out to everyone. You got 24 hours to come up with your list. Or be live for the draft. Ooh, Beta Ray Bill Star studded. There you go. All right. Number 3. The Green Goblin, and, oh, that's cool, Agent Venom sketch. There's a signature for you. Right, well, I thought that was a signature. There's a signature right there for you. Yeah, like I said, I don't know all who the signatures are, so if you want to do that, you just jump to the video and take a look. Ares and a Green Goblin metal. Oops, there we go. Spider-Man and Cyclops. Loki, Thanos. That's a cool looking Wolverine metal card. And Groot. Got a Green Goblin with the auto. Giuseppe. Cable Flare card. Juggernaut metal. And a Devil Dinosaur. And a Cell card. An Iron Man with the auto. And that's a Marco Cicchetio. Last pack. Ooh, this has got a Namor EX Sentry card. Alright. One precious metal so far. Let's see if that's what rules the old roost. Let's see, we'll go 3 up. So this will be 4, and there goes Fallout. There we go. Oops, I'm gonna do it that way actually. Alright, so Premier's going to be the last case break of this national. Slippery, sneaky break there. Captain America, cool Red Skull card. There we go. She-Hulk, Captain America. Magic, the White Tiger cell animation, and another Wolverine sketch. Jason McClellan, it looks like. That's fun. Thanks again to everybody that put in the time and their money to get these breaks sold out. Iron Man got a Black Panther medal. It's been one heck of a ride. Exciting times for sure. Got a Venom card and Vision. Daredevil, and then we got an Iron Man cell animation card. First autograph on a Nick Fury card. Terry Dodson. MODOK. Butch Geis, again, another one of his autos. And we got ourselves Gambit, Precious Metal out of 100. And this is a cool card. Star Power Supreme Leader card. All right. Number 5. Premiere is going to happen right after this. Whatever time that is. And then Alex and I are going to turn into pumpkins. Emma Frost. Got a Captain America cell animation. Thanos and Iron Man. Storm. Sweet looking Wolverine. Oh, it's the jumbo card that someone's going to get. That's cool. Captain America and a Hulk animation. A Namor card with an auto of Ken Lashley. Oh, that's cool. I have seen him at Comic-Con before. Ultron and Falcon. Old school Scarlet Witch card and a Captain Marvel. Ultron with an auto on it. Michael Zeke. Or Zek. Alright, Zek. Ooh, got some red. Spider-Man. There you go. Precious Metal red. Decisions. And this box is going to be with Angel. Old school Angel right there. EX card. All right. Number 6. It's halfway through right here. All right. Wolverine, Deadpool. Loki and Namor. Doctor Strange, Scarlet Witch. Loki and an Iceman. Nova. What do we got here? Got a Nick Fury. Cell animation. A Wolverine card with an auto on it. Azrar. We this is cool. That's cool looking Spider-Man card with a signature on it. Scherberger. Oh, what is this? Got an Ant-Man Precious Metal Blue Gem out of 50. Precious metals are well represented. Got an Emma Frost Star Power Supreme. And Hulk and a Nova cell animation. Number 7. Captain America. Then we got Iron Man. Captain Marvel. Ant-Man. Captain Marvel. Upside down. Got a Lizard and a Punisher. Mr. Sinister and Cable. Interested to see who is going to be playing Cable in Deadpool 2. Luke Cage and a Hulk card. Doctor Strange and an Iron Fist cell. There we go. Got a Magneto. Signature. Giuseppe. You're a fan of his. There's 2 different mini boxes with his auto present. Ooh, cool. Magneto Star Power Supreme. How about an Apocalypse Red Precious Metal? 100 of 100. And a Thor gold signature on it. Get that in the focus. There you go. And it's a Ribic auto. A lot of solid minis here. Not sure where I would go yet. I gotta see the rest of it. Although being an X-Men fan, that Precious Metal Apocalypse is cool, but I gotta hold out and see if it were me, if Precious Metal Wolverine came up. Over. Magneto, Doctor Strange. Venom, it's a cool card, and Storm. Spider-Man metal, got a Hulk animation. There's Spider-Woman with the auto on it, and that is signed by Melina. Daredevil and Adama cell animation. That is a character that I am not too familiar with. Punisher and Apocalypse Metal. Old School Jean Grey and Black Widow. And we got Magneto card with an auto on it. Oliver. Or Olivieri. Yeah, probably Olivieri. Oh, this is sweet. A Magneto green precious metal out of 10. That might be in the lead right now. Sweet hit. Oh man. And an Agent Venom card with the auto. Marco. Whew, that was good. Still got 4 packs left too. Alright. Decisions, ladies and gentlemen. Oops. Alright. Got a Thor. Got a She-Hulk cell animation. And a Colossus sketch card. Nothing on the front. Ah, there you go. Signed on the back. Got a few packs for a sketch card. Nice to see another one pop up. Captain America and a Black Widow metal insert. Hope and Hulk. Hope and Hulk. Iron Man, Gambit. Thor, Star-Lord, Flair style. Sabretooth, got a Falcon cell animation. Got a Thor with a signature on it. Lee Garbett. Back-to-back autos. This time on a Bullseye card. Rochelle Rosenberg. Oh, man. How about a Luke Cage red precious metal? Out of 100. Last pack of this box is going to have a Thanos Star studded insert. Whew. Interesting. All right, here we go. Number 10. Spider-Woman and Scorpion. Have you checked those videos just to make sure they're getting uploaded? Red Skull, got an Iceman medal. Spider-Man and Bullseye. I just want to make sure they're up. Magneto and Nova. Oops, there we go. Another Magneto card. This time we got a Venom Flare. Star-Lord and Thor. Cell animation card that time. Alright. Punisher card with the signature Kenneth. Rockfort auto. And Iron Man with the gold signature. It's a cool looking card. Gary Chu. Oh man, another precious metal coming up. How about a Dark Phoenix blue out of 50? And it's got a Nova signature. Kevin Sharp. So 3 autos and a precious metal in that box. Number 10, that is. Number 11. Spider-Man, Thor. Red Skull and Spider-Man. Elektra, got a Black Widow cell animation. Thor card, got a leader cell animation. It's a really cool Agent Venom sketch. Look at his signature. Signature is on back. I'll get that in the video for you so you can look it up if you need to. There you go. Iron Man and Ultron. Sabretooth. Beauties. Signature. Iron Fist. Andrews. Auto. Oh man, another precious metal. Got a Punisher blue precious metal out of 50. Iron Man card and She-Hulk and Green Goblin. All right. Last mini box, couple randoms, and then Premiere. And we're back tomorrow to get all these cards to fine customers. Cyclops and Mystique. Mystique A-Bomb. That's a guy I'm not familiar with. Signature on electric card, gold ink. June Brigman. Iron Man with the signature. Oh, come on, hold Olivier. Spider-Man, cool Sandman, cell animate. Ooh, come back to me. There we go. Sandman, cell animation. Thor, Scarlet Witch, Marvel. Metal, rather. That's what I meant. Red Skull, Jean Grey, Flare, Colossus, Magneto, alright, so this has the Doctor Strange red precious metal out of 100. And something to spice it up. Add a little intrigue.
There's only one.
How about an X-Men printing plate? Well, it's Cyclops. Very cool, but it's got all the original X-Men there behind him. Jean Grey, Beast, Angel, and Iceman. Interesting. 101 and a precious metal. Does that top a green precious metal? And a Red Skull EX card on top of it all. There we go. 12 solid mini boxes for you to choose from. Intrigued to see where everybody goes. We'll find a spot for that Wolverine card. Let's find out what spot you have. All right. Nine times. Don't pay attention to the numbers here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take everybody's name. It's 10. Again, don't pay attention to the numbers here. They are irrelevant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Don't look at those numbers. This is where it's going to come down to. Alright, Brian H. Pick number 1. Brian H. with pick number 2. Jonathan L. Pick 3. Mark M. Pick 4. Derek T. Pick 5. Brian H. Pick 6. Mark M. Number 7. Brian H. 8. Jonathan 9. Lee with 10. Brian with 11. Derek 12. Alright. Now let's find out. We got a suitcase that's going, suitcase contents winner. $40 credit going out, and the Wolverine oversized card. Didn't even know that was in there. Alright, so what I'll do, we'll go here. Actually, let me copy everybody. Alright, I'll roll the die one time. Or no, I'll roll one die. 3 or more it needs to be. So 5 will work. 5 is the suitcase, 6 the $40, 7 is the Wolverine. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is for the suitcase. Lee C. This is for $40. Brian H. And for the oversized Wolverine, Derek T. Alright, so let's make it official. Lee C. Brian H. Derek T. And then we'll go back. It's 5 times. Black, silver, gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it'll be the gold suitcase. And you got yourself 2 elite packs, a select pack, and a Johnny Manziel upper deck rookie. All right. That is all there is. See you later.